What is up, y'all? Hi, West here. So I was just out cutting my grass a few minutes ago, and I saw one of my neighbors. She was looking. I was like, "What are you looking for?" She said, I heard her saying something like Doggie or something. So, "Who are you looking for?" And she showed me a picture of her lost kitty. Looked like a Siamese mix, gray white cat. So I said, "I'll help you find it." Well, it's like 80 degrees out here, I think. I'm not about to walk in all through the woods and all between people's houses, but I figure I'd do what I can to help. So we're gonna take a around the block. If we see anyone out, we'll ask them. We'll take a look and see if we see anything that looks like our cat. I never did get that fuel yesterday, guys, on ride number 33 moto vlog. So we might have to stop at the BP and try again. Have to. This is the time of the year that hawk really likes it. Beginning of fall. I think today is the 28th of September. We'll have to for a little bit. Really, I just want to get around here and see what I can see. Any excuse to ride the hawk, right? Take it out nice and slow. Keep an eye out for a kitty. Maybe like the height of the cars and stuff. Ooh, I think we're empty. I don't have any cash. I don't have any cash. I hope I have enough cash. I hope I have enough money to get me some gas. I don't even know if my card's gonna work, to be honest. We're gonna try. If it don't work, you might have to go inside this time. Get some gas now, y'all. I hope that was a problem. She never sputtered like that for me before. need any issues. She's just starting to get broke in good. But like I said, guys, I just came out to try to find a little kitty cat. There's always something going on up here, man. This is the craziest part of town. Oh, my stem. And this is not in there all the way. But my stem. Oh, there we go. Woo! I'd have been salty. It's time to like shave it down or something, because it looks like it's not wanting to stay on there. I'll put it in my pocket so we don't lose it. So we got the choke on. Let's put on the half choke. It should be a little warmed up by now. On this it says something about you need $4.